Hi everyone, my name is Alan. After conducting research on Native American heritage languages, today I'm going to show you 6 steps on how to preserve Balinese language in Indonesia based on those findings that I have.
Step 1. Pressed for Balinese language legislation. There is both a legal and a moral obligation for the government of Bali to recognize Balinese language rights. Balinese Language Act has to be proposed with a provision for a Balinese language foundation. Step 2. Bank Balinese language. In this step, we should record all of fluent speakers on audio tape, videotape, or CD-ROM. And moreover, we should computerize the traditional manuscripts and literature for the online resources that can be accessed easily. Step 3. Mobilize the resources. The most important and valuable resources we have to save our language today are human resources. Our speakers of the language, whether totally or marginally fluent, whether old or young generation, are the key to enable us to maintain the language. Step 4. Provide trainings and certification. To save our language, we must have appropriate certified training programs available to enable us to become language teachers, linguists, interpreters, translators, curriculum developers, and researchers. Step 5. Develop a comprehensive and appropriate curriculum. Curriculum development at schools is necessary if we are to be successful in creating an intergenerational transmission process. Step 6. Engage in meaningful research. The purpose of the research is to find answers to important questions or language issues on Balinese manuscripts and society. The most urgent question needing research pertain to the creations of successful and effective models of language renewal.
That's all 6 steps to preserve our indigenous language, Balinese language. Thank you for your attention and have a nice day.